15 things that make you unique. Have you ever wondered about the things that make you truly unique? The truth is, you are one of a kind. The world has never seen anyone like you before, and it will never see your exact duplicate again. That's because no two people are exactly alike. Every human being is different in some way from the next person. Some of these differences might be obvious to others, while others might only be detectable by a close friend or family member who knows you well. But what makes someone truly unique? In this video, you are going to learn the top 15 things that make you unique, special, and amazing according to science. Make sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. And comment down below, I subscribed, and let us welcome you. Let's start. Number 15, your fingerprint. The first thing that might come to mind when thinking about what makes a person unique is their fingerprints. That's right, I bet you thought of this before even opening this video. Each person has a different set of ridges in their fingerprints, so even though identical twins might have the same DNA sequence, they don't have the exact same fingerprint pattern. Number 14. The way you communicate. The way that you communicate is definitely something that makes you unique. It's the little things that count, the subtle differences in how you phrase your statements or convey your thoughts to others. Some people might be better at communicating in a certain way, but the fact is that there's no right or wrong way to communicate. It's completely up to you and how you feel most comfortable doing it. Even identical twins have different communication styles. Number 13. Your perspective on the world. Did you know that the way that you see the world is unique to you? That's right, your view of things is influenced by your life experiences, your emotions, and even the people who surround you. You can't know exactly how someone else experiences things, no matter how similar their lives seem on the surface. So don't assume that just because you've experienced something in a certain way, everyone experiences things in exactly the same way. We all have a unique lens through which we view the world. Number 12. Your way of thinking. Your way of thinking is another thing that makes you unique. How do you make decisions? What are your opinions on certain things? Your thought process is completely up to you. And what's more, it changes throughout your life. When you're a child, your thoughts might be very different from how they are when you are an adult. It's the same with identical twins. They might start out thinking in very similar ways, but as they mature, their thoughts become more unique. Number 11. Your laugh. The way that you laugh is unique. Everyone has a different type of laugh, and it conveys emotion in its own special way. Some people might laugh loudly, while others' laughter might be very short, almost like a snort. Laughter can also be contagious, meaning that when you laugh, it puts others in the mood to do the same. That's why someone might start laughing at something, even though they don't know what caused it to begin. This is one of the things that makes you unique. And if some people think your laughter is weird, you should ignore them. Number 10. Your past and experiences. Everyone has a unique history filled with unique experiences. Your past shapes your present, and your experiences influence how you see the things that happen to you. Regardless of how similar someone else's life might seem to yours, the thing is that there are no two situations that are exactly alike. Each person has had their own unique experiences, and through these experiences, they have grown in different ways. Everyone moves through life at a slightly different pace, making each person unique in how they experience things. Number 9. Your voice print. Your voice print or tone of voice is something that makes you unique. When people speak, their voices are often slightly different from another person's. Everyone has a unique way of speaking, and the tone and pitch of your voice say a lot about you. Some people might speak loudly and clearly, while others might speak quietly and mumble or slur their words. Your voice print is definitely something that makes you unique. Number 8. Your genetics. Genetics definitely plays a role in what makes a person unique. Many of the things that we inherit from our parents and ancestors are physical, like certain features and eye color. But even something as simple and small as your thumbprint is influenced by genetics. So while it might seem like, at birth everyone has the same potential, the truth is that each person is actually unique from the very beginning. Your genes influence your physical appearance as well as the way that you think and feel. Number 7, your personality. From the way that you smile to the way that you like your coffee, everything about you is unique. Personality can be hard to define, but basically it is all of the things that make you uniquely you. This includes likes and dislikes, how outgoing or introverted you are, what makes you happy. There are so many different traits that are part of what makes you the person that you are. Your personality is simply a huge part of what makes you unique. Number 6, your appearance. According to research, you can know what someone is like just by looking at them, so your appearance definitely makes you unique. From the way that you style your hair to the color of your eyes and the way you dress and walk. Some people might dress differently than others, and many people have features that they are very proud of, like their smile or nice skin. Appearance is just another one of the things that makes you special. Number 5, your dreams and fantasies. It's scientifically proven that dreams and fantasies are something that makes people unique. Since everyone's brain is wired in a different way, we all experience and interpret dreams differently. Your dreams and fantasies might be about something that has actually happened to you, or they might be influenced by the things that you've read or seen. Either way, they're definitely a part of what makes you special and unique. Number 4, your habits and interests. What might interest you might not interest anyone else, and what you like might not even be liked by other people. The things that you do and the way that you think are something that makes you unique because no one does these things exactly the same as you do. For example, some people drink their coffee black while others can't imagine drinking it, without cream and sugar first. Some people might like to read books while others love spending their free time playing sports or cooking. This is just one of the many things that shape who you are and what makes you stand out from everyone else. Number 3, your physical characteristics. Because you have been moving at a unique pace since the day that you were born, your physical characteristics are definitely something that makes you special. You might be taller or shorter than other people, and everyone's body type is different as well. Even small things like how flexible someone is can easily set them apart from another person. Because honestly, there's no other person in the world that has the same exact body as you do. Number 2, your taste. This one doesn't only include your food preferences, but also your sense of style and the things that you like in general. Every day we are exposed to so many different things, and we all have our own personal tastes and opinions about them. This means that everything, from what movie you might want to watch to whether or not you like the color orange, is something that makes you unique because no one shares your taste in things. Number 1, your eye print. Did you know that each person has a unique eye print just like the fingerprints that are on our fingers? Every single person in the entire world has an individual pattern of eyes that doesn't look exactly the same as anyone else's. Even though this might seem strange to some people, everyone's eye print is absolutely fascinating, and it's something that makes each person special. For example, the biometric scanner on your smartphone is a technology that uses your unique eye print to unlock your device. This is one of the many areas that science is exploring with the eye print to identify people and the different things that it can do. Conclusion: the more we learn about ourselves, the more we can understand how to make our lives better. These are some of the many things that set you apart from others, and it's something worth celebrating. From your eye print to your way of viewing the world, every aspect of who you are makes you special in some way or another. With a little thoughtfulness and effort, these unique qualities will help drive success for not only ourselves, but also those around us. And always remember that you are beautiful and unique just the way you are. To learn more, check out other videos on this channel and the links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.